Hi friends and people over there. I am here because today we are going to do I have an article to talking. I have an article talking about the BB cream, MAC BB cream before and after, and I have pictures in this article, and I think nothing better than the video, right? And today we're doing this before and after hands-on review, whatever you want to call it. And as you can see, I have no makeup on right now. Oh my god. And but let's fix it now. And I'm gonna go and have the BB cream. But first I want to talk about why do I want to have BB cream instead of a foundation. Me personally, I don't like foundations all the time to wear it every day because it is supposed to damage your skin, and BB cream is supposed to be less damaging or less aggressive on the skin, I must say like this. But I haven't read any scientific article talking about this, but I just believe what people talk about it, right? And so BB cream is gonna be lighter than a foundation and it's gonna be better. That's what people say, and I believe in it. I know, but and so here I have my bare face, no, just lipstick, obviously. And I'm gonna apply a little bit, especially on the under eyes and a bit here. So here's what I have, right? If I need more, and I apply with the finger, so I don't have a brush here, and I'm moving, and I don't know where to put my sponge, so gently tap, 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 tap. So I gently tap, 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 tap. And here I'm starting to see the difference. I don't know if you guys have. I don't like to do more than that, right? I don't like to do more than that. And maybe about here. And I heard, I don't know, makeup artists over there, what you have to say about this, but I don't. I saw a makeup artist saying that you don't really have to apply foundation or BB cream in the entire face. But I do. And here, to see, just a difference. I see, especially here, like, right? If I want to put a little bit more under, I think this should be enough, but if I put a little bit more under the eye would help. I forgot to put it here. I don't really like to put makeup here on my eyelids. I don't know why, but so yeah, the rest I put here. And voila. So what the final conclusions about this, what I have to say? I think it's a good, it has a good coverage, definitely has. I can feel the before, I can not feel, see the before and after, but I think it's hard to spread. I think it's really hard, not really hard, come on, but it's kind of, it could be easier to spread on your face, but who knows. It smells like sunscreen, and the smell stays. I don't think it's a bad smell, but I don't think it's a great smell either. What else? I'm using it definitely. Remember to take it off very well, otherwise, in my case, for instance, It gives me bumps, like if I don't make sure that I took it all very well. The next day my skin's not that great, but if I clean it nicely and carefully, and I take off all the, make sure that I took off all the makeup, it's going to be okay. Né? It stays long enough. I like it, and I'm using this one. I'm using this one or the CC cream from Chanel, either one or the other, and it's working well. And yes, so this is it. This is the before. And another thing that I think is that if you have oily face, you see my skin gets a bit shiny. I don't really like that shine effect, so I just go with the CC powder, translucent powder, and I just, you know, make it matte. I mattify it. That's all. But overall, that's it. I want to share. Make sure to visit the websites, themakeup.org, share and like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon, beauties.